All right, so for my next little project, I'm going to reseal that door so we can get the airflow out of there. That door was leaking bad, so we're gonna have to remove a cable that's going outside and going through into the madam's room. So it's going outside and into the madam's room, so we're gonna pop the head off this coaxial cable. I've got the tools to replace the coaxial cable, but it's not serving anything in here, so we're gonna get rid of it so we can seal everything up. There you go. Yeah, and I got the crimpers and stuff for that, so I'm not concerned about that. That's only a 20-cent fix, so I am not worried about that. Now let's go check out the door. Let's see what that door looks like. See if we can get this sealed up. Because you can see light on all the edges of it, so might have to come back in here with some more seal foam. Like, we don't really ever go out this door, so got stabbed by some door hardware. The door's fighting back, guys.
Oh, I think it.
Oh, it's on. All right, so. No more air gap. Yeehaw! She's all sealed. Hey Ryan, high five.
Yeah, buddy.
One down, a bunch to go. For my next project, we're gonna fix this window right here. We got a pane that was broken, and I already, for my own safety, took the glass, the little shards of glass over here out. And so we're gonna replace this. Now the thing is this pane is broken as well. So I'm gonna cover up this whole bottom rather than try to just do one insert here, since this is already broken too. Let's just go ahead and seal this all up so this is all good. I am going to put in a temporary fix to this window to seal this up until we can get new windows that have been ordered in. So they said it'd been about 2 months. That sucks. I don't want to wait 2 months, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna patch that up with some R resistant or some, exterior grade materials that give us a little bit of thermal insulation there, so it's not just air pumping in here. Help keep the dust out, help keep the weather out, help save the wood. So let's get this done. this room is sealed.